Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Weeky. This is Ahmed. In this video I'm gonna show you how to ping an IP in CMD. Click on Start CMD. For this tutorial you don't need administrator privileges. Just click on Enter. As you can see, this is a command prompt or CMD. Type ping and the IP you want to ping. Click on ping and you can see just 4 of them. If you want to see more than 4, just type ping -t and select your IP address or your website address to ping. Just hit enter. And as you can see, this is continuously going, and for this to finish you need to close the CMD. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my future update.